like cooking fish, I like eating fish with a little twist. It's my favorite dish. From the ocean to my plate, it's a tasty wish. I like cooking fish, I like eating fish.
Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're spotlighting a truly special ingredient, barramundi, a star in the world of fish, known for its buttery texture and delicate flavor. We're transforming this ocean gem into mouth-watering barramundi tacos. First up, we're cutting it into fillets. But don't worry, starting with the whole barramundi isn't a must. You're free to use any fish you like, or even begin with pre-cut fillets from the supermarket. It's all about making this recipe work for your convenience and taste. We'll mix together 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of paprika. This spicy blend will marinate the fillets, ensuring that every bite is bursting with taste. Don't forget to season our spice-coated barramundi fillets with some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. After blending our spices onto the fillets, let's set them aside for 30 minutes. While our barramundi is marinating, let's prepare the slaw that will add crunch and freshness to our tacos. Take 2 cups of shredded red cabbage, 1 julienned carrot, and a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Mix these together in a large bowl. Then, for a zesty kick, squeeze in the juice of 1 lime and add a tablespoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This slaw isn't just colorful, it's a burst of flavors that will complement our barramundi perfectly. Now, let's whip up a creamy, dreamy avocado cream to drizzle over our tacos. Start by scooping out the flesh of 1 ripe avocado. Add a 1/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt for a smooth, tangy base. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime for a citrusy zing, and add a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. Blend everything until smooth and velvety. This avocado cream will be the perfect cool and creamy complement to our spicy barramundi. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, getting it nice and hot. Place the fillets gently into the skillet and let them cook for about 1 minute on each side. You're looking for them to be beautifully cooked through and easily flaked with a fork. Once done, take the fillets out of the skillet and let them rest for a few moments. These chunks will be the star of our tacos. To bring our barramundi tacos together, let's start by warming the corn tortillas. Just about 30 seconds on each side to get them nice and toasty. Then it's time to assemble. Lay down a generous amount of the vibrant slaw on each tortilla, followed by a hearty helping of the cooked barramundi. The flaky texture and rich flavors of the fish, combined with the crunchy, sweet, and tangy slaw, create a delightful contrast. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me, and that you'll try making these tacos for your next meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or just want to share how your tacos turned out.